How to recover a Shopee account using a phone number. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recover a Shopee account using a phone number. First, open your web browser and search for shopee.co.id. Once you're on the Shopee website, look for your profile icon in the top right corner and tap on it. From there, you will see the option to forget your account. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, you will need to enter your phone number and the verification code that you receive. After entering your phone number and code, you will be able to recover your Shopee account. Then, you will be given the option to create a new password for your Shopee account. Enter a strong and secure password. Once you have successfully changed your password, you should be able to log in to your Shopee account using your phone number and the new password. If you encounter any issues during this process, you can contact Shopee's customer support for further assistance. They may ask you to provide additional information to verify your identity and account ownership. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.